Welcome to Miss Sharon's Story Time, brought to you by the Morgantown Public Library System. Today we're going to read Eric Carle book. It's Does a Kangaroo Have a Mother Too? And this is by HarperCollins. Okay. Yes, a kangaroo has a mother, just like me and you. Does a lion have a mother too? Yes, a lion has a mother, just like me and you. Does a giraffe have a mother too? Yes, a giraffe has a mother, just like me and you. Does a penguin have a mother too? Yes, a penguin has a mother too, just like me and you. Does a swan have a mother too? Yes, a swan has a mother, just like me and you. Does a fox have a mother too? Yes, a fox has a mother, just like me and you. Does a dolphin have a mother too? Yes, a dolphin has a mother, just like me and you. Does a sheep have a mother? Yes, a sheep has a mother, just like me and you. Does a bear have a mother too? Yes, a bear has a mother, just like me and you. Does an elephant have a mother too? Yes, an elephant has a mother, just like me and you. Does a monkey have a mother too? Yes, a monkey has a mother, just like me and you. And do animal mothers love their babies? Yes, yes. Of course they do. Animal mothers love their babies, just as yours love you. Okay, there's lots of animals in this book, and I'd like to tell you the baby names of the animals. A baby kangaroo is a joey. A baby lion is a cub. A baby giraffe is a calf. A baby penguin is a chick. A baby swan is a cygnet. A baby fox is a cub or a pup. A baby dolphin is a calf. A baby sheep is a lamb. A baby bear is a cub. A baby elephant is a calf. A baby monkey is an infant. And a baby deer is a fawn. Okay, if you stopped by the library this week and picked up a packet, I'd like to show you what's in it. First of all, you'll find this really neat picture and these very cool stickers to decorate it with. Use part of these stickers on this picture and then save some of them. And I put a door hanger in here for you to decorate with the rest of the stickers, okay? Then also, here's a kangaroo mama and her joey, and there's a dot to dot that goes along with that. And then this just tells you a little bit about my story time and where you can find it. So I hope you enjoy these activities, and I'll see you the next time. Keep reading. Bye-bye.